Alex. I welcome you all to your English class. I hope you all are safe. Children, for today's English lesson, we are going to start a new chapter from your Mastering Grammar book, and this chapter is articles. Okay, this is chapter 8 of your syllabus of your book, and it is on page number 44. So I know that in your previous classes, like when you were so small, when you were kids, you must have learned about articles. You must have learned in your previous classes until 5. Now children, with this one we are going to learn in detail how we are going to use these articles. You know the words which are called articles, right? Like and the, right? These 3 words are articles, and they are used with nouns. They are used to point out things, people, animals and places. This bicycle, the bicycle that my dad gave me, is red in color. So bicycle, before bicycle we can see the use of the. He gave me a book to read. Now children, how are we going to use these words to mean something? Okay, now before nouns. Feature a and the are articles and come before nouns. So there are 2 types of articles. Let's write it down first. Articles are categorized into 2 kinds. One is indefinite article, and other one is definite article. Yes children? Definite and indefinite. So o and an will be in the indefinite and the will be in definite. So children, with this you understand that indefinite are used in general sense. Okay, when we are talking about nouns in general sense, that we are covering all the nouns, that means we are covering or we are talking or referring to the nouns in general sense, then we use a or an, and the is used in particular sense when we want to specify a particular thing. So in particular sense when we use the. So that's why it is called definite, and this one is indefinite. So the 2 parts are definite and indefinite. So a and an are indefinite articles, and the is definite articles. Now indefinite articles, a and an are indefinite articles because they do not point at any particular object or particular person or thing. It always suggests any person or anything. I told you it will be talking about things or nouns in general sense. Means we are talking about any person or anything. But with definite article, which we are going to learn soon, we are going to learn after we have finished the indefinite article, I will tell you they are used for particular person or particular thing. Yes. Now indefinite articles do not point at any particular thing, person or animal. They come before singular common nouns. All is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound. Yes children, you have to remember for both of them. Now for you have to remember one thing, which is it will be used with singular noun, and it has to be what? It has to be countable. Now I am not going to tell you in detail what is countable or uncountable or singular. I am just going to say that we use a with singular or countable noun. One thing you have to remember, this is used for consonant sound. Now children, many of you know that consonant sound refers to all the sounds which are not vowel sound, right? Like o, e, u, a. These sounds which are our swar words like a, e, I, o, u sounds, that children are our vowels, and apart from these letters, the rest of the letters like ko, kho, go, you know the Vyanjan part, so then law, these letters L, S, M, all these words are, all these letters are what? Are consonant sounds. So we are going to use a with consonant sounds and not with the vowel sounds. You are going to remember this. Now see here, for an, what we have to remember is you are also going to use an as singular countable noun, okay? You have to see that the noun has to be singular and countable. But one thing you have to remember is we are going to use it with vowel sound. Yes? Now let us look at some examples what are given in your books. Book. A is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound like a man, a baby, a European. European children, you must have seen the spelling of European. This is the word. You will say, ma'am, you said that vowel sound should be there. So E is a vowel because we have learned in English alphabet that A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So why are we going to use a here and not an? Yes children, we are not going to use an because the sound produced by the pronunciation of this word European is your sound, okay, U sound and not E sound. Yes, we are not saying European, we are saying European. So your is Vyanjan, right? So you know by this that we are going to use, for a consonant sound, we are going to use a and not an. Even when the letter is a vowel, that means even when the letter in English is a vowel letter. Now, European begins with E and university begins with U. Yes, university, again you see your is there, not a university, we do not say like that. They begin with consonant sound Y-U, U. An is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. I have already told you this. And an apple, apple. See a apple, swar sound. Then American. An R. See H is silent here. We say R, right? And not Howard. So when we are not using ho sound, we are using o sound. Then we are obviously going to use what? We are going to use and not a. Now see an apple, an American, an R, an MP. MP. A sound is there, right? When you are using the letter M, which is a consonant, but the sound we are producing is of A. M is there. So A is obviously a swar one. So we know that vowel sound it is, and that's why we are going to say an MP and not a MP. Use of a and an. A and an are used to indicate one person or thing, may be used for any person or thing. Like a puppy came running towards me. So I am talking about general puppy, I am not talking about a particular one. To show a kind, a class or a species, sometimes what do? Like we specify a class of people, like bonsai tree. Here you can see I have a bonsai tree. That means the class of that bonsai tree I have, the species. Here a bonsai refers to the species of trees. To show a certain quantity, like there are a dozen of oranges. To show profession, like he is a general. He is a Christian, like community. To show a class, to show a profession, rank, community or religion of a person, we use a, right? Like because Christian, K, ko sound is there, that's why we are going to use a Christian. And that is specifying a community in general sense. I am talking about all Christians, I am saying he is one of them. Fill in the blanks with the correct article. Now we have our first exercise to do. So we have these articles given as choices. We are to choose the correct option and fill it. Now The first exercise, children, is on page number 45. We can do it. Now let's finish this exercise. Page 45, exercise A. Okay. I will be writing the answers only, children. Please write the question as well. Lucy Gray was little. Little, see, little is what? Law sound. So, a little girl. A little girl. Number 2. It will take us R. R, so an hour, because H is silent here. Number 3. He considered himself alien. A sound. An alien. Number 4. She wants to study university, children. Although the spelling is starting with U, but we are going to listen to the sound university. So a university. Number 5. My aim is to become engineer. A sound. So an engineer. He wants to become an engineer. Number 6. Though dash European. U sound and not E sound. So that's why we are saying a European. J always considers himself Indian. 7. Our principal is dash honorable person. Is an honorable person. Honorable, H is silent again. Shane Watson, Australian. All sound is there, an Australian. Okay, now number 9. You had a lot, L, law sound. So, a lot of time. So, with phrases we can use a. Give me 1. Although O is, children, in English letter, it's a vowel, but 1. Wa sound is there. So, we are going to use O. 1 rupee. Note. Yeah, coin. Yes, coin. Now, children, we are done with a and an. I hope you understood it. We are moving towards definite article now. The. Okay. The is the definite article which indicates a particular object, thing, or person. For example, the book that you gave me was interesting. I am talking about a specific book, although it's countable, although I am referring to this noun singular, then we are going to use the. Why? Because we are talking about that particular book. So, the book that you gave me was interesting. So, the here. Now, children. So, the is used before singular and plural nouns. We can use for both of them. So, uses of the. The is used before any noun where we want to particularize it. Like, we lost the game. I am talking about that particular game which we lost against Delhi Daredevils. Here the speaker is talking not about any game. He was not referring to any game, but he was talking about a particular game which they lost to Delhi Daredevil. Okay. Now the doctor, the chair. So I am talking about the particular person. So I am referring to that particular, I am pointing to that particular person or thing. Before superlatives, remember I taught you adjectives, we had learned comparatives and superlatives. I told you that this article, the, is used before superlatives like the biggest, the tallest, all these words. I told you for all the superlatives, like the words which are superlatives, we use the before them. Like Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. 3 Idiots was the best movie of 2010. Before words like first, last, next, only, we always use the. Sir Edmund Hillary was the first person to climb Mount Everest. The first. See, first, last, next, only, all these words we will be using. With all these words we will be using the. Now, before a common noun, when that noun represents the whole class, like we are talking about all tigers. The tiger belong to the cat family. I am talking about all tigers. Okay, we are specifying the class. Class means section. So that's why we are going to talk about the tiger, and I'm not referring to a particular, or we are not talking about tiger in general sense, but we are talking about tiger in particular class. Before the name of newspapers, like the name of newspapers like Times of India, Hindustan Times, unique things means which are different, like sun, moon, sky, right? Then we have geographical proper nouns like the Ganges, the Alps, the Himalayas. Okay, then we have these holy books, Gita, Bible, the Odyssey, the Bible, the Quran. Yes, holy or great books. However, when we mention the author's name, we omit the. So with proper nouns, you are never going to use their own name. So we cannot say, like if we say Odyssey, right? Odyssey was written by Homer. We cannot say the Homer's Odyssey. Homer's Odyssey is enough. You cannot write Homer's the Odyssey. Okay. So you are not when you are writing the author's name or writer's name, poet's name, you are just going to say the name of the work, the book, and not the. You are not going to use the with it. Trains, ships, aeroplanes. Yes, names of particular trains, aircrafts, airplanes, flights, like the Taj Mahal, the Rajdhani Express, okay, monuments, all these things, the Taj Express. Well-known buildings, Taj Mahal, India Gate. Countries, that United States of America, United Kingdom. Then you have United Arab Emirates. Then you have the United States of America. Okay. The directions, the north, the south, the whole family, the Roys, the Khans. If you are a Verma, that means you are. That means you are what? You are referring to the whole family as a whole. So before them you can use the. Now let's see B exercise. Insert the definite article the wherever necessary. I bought a cycle for you. The cycle is red in color. So the cycle which was bought was red in color. So I am specifying the cycle. Now let's write it down. We are moving ahead with exercise B, and this is on page number 46. I bought a cycle for you. This will be written as it is. The cycle is red in color because I am talking about this cycle only. So the cycle is red in color. Yes. Now number 2. Times of India. Before newspapers, I told you that we are always going to use the. So the Times of India. Okay. And there is other sentence as well, you have to finish it. Homer's Iliad is a well-known epic poem. So this, children, here you don't need the, so you are going to leave it as it is. So we are going to write the same. Homer's Iliad is a well-known epic poem. You are going to write it as it is. Number 4, Taj Mahal. So before Taj Mahal you have to add the, because it is the name of a particular monument. The Taj Mahal. ... You have to write the whole sentence. Number 5, deer is a timid. So or deer. Yes. I am specifying, I am generalizing. Actually, we cannot use a here, we have to use the. I am specifying the class. So, the deer is a timid creature. Now, number 6. I am currently reading the 9th chapter. So, you are going to write as it is. The 9th chapter, you are going to add it here. So, the 9th chapter, because when you are specifying the position or when you are specifying the number, then you have to write the. Number 7, giraffe is the tallest. So giraffe is as it is. Because I told you for superlative we are going to use the tallest. Yes, children? So you have to write the complete sentence, children. To save time, just to save our precious time, I have just written it like this, but you have to write the questions. You have to actually rewrite it, rewrite it. Now number 8 of this one only. We have, I returned your book that you gave me last week. This will be written as it is. Okay, so there is no change. Don't write no change in the answer. Nothing will change here. Okay, that's why I have written right as it is. Okay, this is an instruction and not the answer. Now moving to omission of articles. Yes, articles are not used before proper nouns. Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. So you are not going to use article before what? Before proper nouns. Mumbai is in Maharashtra. So we are not going to say the Mumbai, the Maharashtra. We are not going to use it. Before abstract noun, before happiness, honesty, we have already learned what abstract nouns are. So we are not going to use the or an or a before abstract nouns. Before material nouns also you are not going to use it, like gold. A gold, no. The gold, no. So when we are specifying, we can definitely use it. We cannot survive without water, but we also say the water in the jug is chilled. So I am mentioning, when I am particularizing it, when I am specifying the water, so I can say it. But we generally omit in other cases when we are not specifying it, specializing it. Here article the has been used because we are talking about particular water in the jug. So whenever any kind of noun is particularized, we have to use the definite article the. So if I am talking about particular honesty which is there in the boy or in someone, then we are going to generalize, otherwise not. Okay, like for abstract noun also you can see an example here, the honesty of the young man. So I am talking about particular honesty that is present in the young man. So that's why I have used with honesty, I have used what? I have used the article the, definite article. So the gold we purchased. Now I told you with material nouns we are not going to use any article, but when can we use it? When can we use the definite article? When we are mentioning about the particular gold that we had bought. Now Sachin Tendulkar is called the Bradman of Indian cricket. I am mentioning about the particular references there to a particular man, because Sachin is compared. So here we can see Bradman, before Bradman we have said the. Okay. Now yes, we are done with this. We have 3 exercises more to finish. Let's complete that quickly. Now number C, page 47. Okay, page 47, let me write here and let me write C here. Tick the correct form. So wherever like you have been given 2 options in a number, in a single number, you have to tick the correct option. The Himalayas are covered with snow, or Himalayas are covered with snow. Which will be the correct answer? Yes, the first one. The Himalayas are covered with snow. Okay, so you are going to tick mark the first one, the Himalayas one, because with specific names of features we are going to mark them. Okay, number 2 now. Mahi was the best player of the tournament. Mahi was best player of the tournament. In the second one you can see with best. Best is the superlative degree. We had to use the. The has been used in the first sentence. So Mahi was the best player. So we are going with Mahi was the best. Yes, you will tick this one. Number 3, so we have other words also. He is the Shah Rukh Khan of Hollywood. He is Shah Rukh Khan of Hollywood. No, he is the. So the Shah Rukh. Yes, number 4 now. The water in the tank is very hot. Water in the tank is very or. So I'm referring to particular water, so the water. First option. Asia is the largest continent. The Asia is the largest continent. Asia is the largest because with proper names of continents, we do not use any definite articles. So Asia is the largest. The first option again. Number 6. Beauty of Cleopatra is well known. So children, we are specifying the beauty of Cleopatra. So here the second sentence will be correct. The beauty of Cleopatra. Because we are talking about particular beauty of Cleopatra, okay? Number 7. Okay, we are done with 7. I think, yes, 7. This was number 7, children. Please make the necessary changes. Now we are talking about 6. I have a new friend called the Shyam. No, children, before name we cannot use the. I have a new friend called Shyam. So, called Shyam and not called the Shyam. So, you are going to take the second sentence. Called Shyam. Take the second sentence here. Now, number 8. Platinum is rare metal. So, platinum is a rare metal because with this is used in general sense. So, platinum is a rare. The platinum we do not see. So, we have finished exercise C. Now, moving to D. I hope you have finished this. Number D now. The Ramayana, because yes children, we are specifying the book's name. The Ramayana is a sacred book of the Hindus. Number 1. Number 2. The Taj Mahal was built by. Okay children, so before name we do not put any. So Shah Jahan is a name, that's why we are crossing that. Before train we use the Rajdhani Express connects many cities. So nothing will be here for cities. Connects many cities. Connect with. Okay. Now, dash apple should be eaten every morning with. Before breakfast we are not going to use anything. An apple. Okay, so 1 apple. Number 5. Sherlock Holmes had dash visitor who was a stranger to him. Was a visitor. Had a visitor. Now add a, an or the wherever required. Salesh is an intelligent boy. So I am not going to rub this. E. So Salesh is an intelligent boy. Yes. Again we have what? Who loves to play cricket? His idol is Sachin Tendulkar. He goes to the India Gate because India Gate is particular. So he goes to the India Gate. Lawns to the India Gate lawns every Sunday. He generally hires taxi and picks up a friend on his way. The 2 boys we are specifying. So the 2 boys. Okay, we are talking about specific 2 boys. The 2 boys then joins others and coach and the coach. Okay, a particular coach is there who is guiding them. The coach often guides them. They are planning to play for the school team. We are talking about particular school team. So the school team at the school level, state level soon. So the state level. We are talking about particular level. So, yes children, so here are the addition. You should see where I have added the and where I haven't. So okay, with this we are done with this chapter we have finished this exercise. I hope you understood at least some portion. So let me quickly recall what we had learned. We had learned about indefinite and definite articles. We had learned about how they are used. We use a and an for singular nouns, and we use them for we use a with consonant sound and with the vowel sound, and you are not going to confuse it with the letters, with the vowel letters, but instead we are focusing on the sound. Okay, and then we had learned about definite articles. We had seen rules that how we can omit some of the articles, and with whom we can use the, and with whom we don't need to use any article. With this, children, we are done with this lesson and we have finished one chapter again, and now we will be meeting in our next video lesson with another chapter. Till then, children, please take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.